Hi everyone, it's December the 30th, 2023, and we're in the Netherlands, so you might hear fireworks going off behind me because we're in the Netherlands and people love their fireworks. So today we're going to be talking about brushes that I use in my makeup and on my customers as well, and my favorite ones. So first of all, I always do my eye makeup first. So what I use first of all is I always usually apply my eyeliner, and if I use my casual pencil, obviously I don't do that, but if I use my eyeliner, then I use this particular brush. It's a slanted brush, as you can see, and this makes for a great application for a line on the eyelid. I don't suggest you being exact with application, but it is good. Now, the other thing I use this for as well, and I have two of these because I use one for my eyebrow and one for my eyeliner. So that, because it's a different product and I don't want to be putting eyeliner on my eyebrow. So this is my most used brush. It's a slanted, very good brush, very easy to apply. And when I apply it, I just literally apply it like so and then brush it in a little bit. So that is my eyeliner and eyebrow brush. The next brush I use my medium eyeshadow brush. I didn't bring it with me. It's just slightly larger than this. And I use that to stipple on my eyeshadow on my eyelid. And then I use this brush, which is a blending brush, to blend everything together. So the blending brush is again, what I use to blend the eyeshadow and eyeliner together to bring it across. Now, if I was applying concealers, especially under the eyes, and especially if I'm going to apply my new opulent silk cushion veil, which is number light, which is helpful for getting rid of dark circles under the eyes, then I actually use my lip brush for that. It's small and it means I can be precise on where I apply my concealer. You can also use this for, say, a green concealer as well, if you just got a little red spot that you want to cover. Or if you want to put, I often put like a very light highlighter right in the corner of my eyes. So I'll use this lip brush for that. Of course, you can also use your lip brush to apply lipstick as well. And then we come to the face. So I think the brush I use most on my face is the concealer brush. It's because I like to make sure that the areas like open pores are covered and concealed, and specific areas that I like to make sure are covered. I don't actually use necessary foundation over my whole face. I tend to apply the foundation where I need it. And then I blend it in with my kabuki brush, or you can also use the flat brush here and just brush it all in to your face until it's all well blended. Then last but not least, when you've put foundation on your face, you need to bring back the glow. And so then I will use my blusher brush to apply any bronzer or blush that I might need. So that's the last brush that I use. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Otherwise, it's bye for now.